Hi, my name is Paweł Spychalski and 100% frankly, I do not like mini quads with propellers smaller than 5 inches because I just don't. I don't think they fly good, they do not have enough grip in the air, so I prefer 5 inches. I tried 4 inches twice, mini whoops, yeah, only at home, but then at home, 5 inches, 7 inches, big machines. This is something like I really like. Because of that, I was never really into the smaller versions of the flight controllers we are using right now that are using 20 by 20 millimeter hole spacing instead of 30.5 by 30.5 millimeter hole spacing. Because I just had no, let's say, use for them, need to use them, and I was rather, let's say, ignoring the topic completely. But because I'm such a nice person and I got this in the mail, I would like to show you this thing I have here. This thing is called Matek F722-Mini, which is probably the smallest F722 flight controller right now. I like F7 flight CPUs because they are better than F4, although they might seem to be slightly slower in some of the cases, but they are not really that much slower and they are just great. We love them very much. This is 20 by 20 millimeters OSD full-blown flight controller, which, to be honest, has almost everything, well, everything besides the SD card slot, because there is of course no SD card slot. It's really hard to fit SD card slot by something small like this. Then the F722 SE flight controller, which also has the power distribution. This one doesn't. Somehow they managed to fit everything. There are 5 serial ports, there is one soft serial option, there is OSD, there is the I2C broken out, there is the camera switcher possibility, there is the small integrated voltage stabilizer, there is possibility to convert this thing into the 35 by 35 millimeter mounting by using this converter. There are those teeny tiny rubber thingies to dampen everything. And if one day I will be in the need of 30 by 30 millimeter flight controller and I will not have anything usable in my box. Have I ever showed you my box with flight controllers? One day I will do it for sure. I will be just able to use this if I want. Maybe one day I will build something smaller, like a 2-incher, 3-incher. I have really no idea, but right now there is an option. Okay, I will not... Yeah, I think I should finish right now. I gave you the hands-on. It is the hands-on. It's an option. It's there. It looks pretty... It looks okay. It looks fine. It has everything. There are no drawbacks comparing to bigger flight controller, if not counting the the SD card. And if you really want to have the SD card, you can always connect one with the serial port if you really want to. So, yeah, maybe I will build something smaller. But I've built so many quads last year, maybe not. We will see. Anyhow, or I know, maybe I have an idea. Maybe I can just put it in my Nano Talon. Yeah, we will see. Anyhow, thank you for watching. Ciao.